Wow, I did not realize I parked that close this time. But welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video, hopefully I don't have very bad news, but actually good news. So last week, after I did my 1-year review of the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, suddenly the check engine light went on. So I was actually looking for something like this. It's an ODB, like a computer reader to give diagnostic of your engine or ECU, whatever it is. And suddenly my check engine light went on my 1-year-old car. Now I actually got this sent by KINGBOLEN. It's a YA100 machine. I have never used it. I've never used one of these. Apparently it's very user-friendly. So the only way to find out, let me start up the car, show you guys the check engine light, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's open it up. There it is. It's an odb2 enhanced code scanner, like I said, YA100. And this one is for the 1996 or 1997 models and newer cars. Anything older will have the odb1, and unless you're gonna swap that, but let's see. The box came with a few instructions here. Okay, it tells you where approximately the ODB port is, what are the options that you can do, and what else, how it's gonna read the codes. Okay, let's take a look. It is not cordless, so just by looking at it, it's a probably 3 feet-ish long cable. It comes with actually only 4 buttons: up, down, back, and OK. So looks to be very easy. A little, I'm assuming, LED screen. From what I saw online, there's no batteries or anything because it will get the power from the car, so you need to have at least a battery in your car, and then we can get it checked. Okay, we're gonna fire it up. And that's where the check engine light is, and it's not gonna go off. So I really hope and assume it is the thermostat that I put in there, the 180 degrees. And if that's the case, typically I would have take the negative out of the battery, leave it out for about a minute or two, and then put it back on, and it disappears. But if there is something else, and hopefully that machine works, then we'll see if there's something else going on. And if that's the case, we'll see how the recommendation goes for this product. So I'm waiting it for the coolant to get a little bit warmer. There it is. Then I'm gonna drive out because I'll have more light here outside of the garage. Okay. By the way, look how dirty my car is. It's been raining the whole week, so it's finally Saturday. It's gonna get a bath, but I need to get this fixed. Okay, don't mind again how dirty my car is. The ODB port from my car is right here. So, and that's where you're gonna stick this one in. Here we go. Now let me get into the car. Okay, so you got those options. The car is not even on right now, and you can already scramble through the options. They say it's good to put the car on, so just gonna hit it once. And okay, we have power here, so we're gonna run a diagnostic. We're gonna hit this button. Let's see. It's running and taking a few tests, detecting some stuff. No idea what those codes are, and takes a few seconds. Communication error, switch ignition on. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Now it's on running. We're gonna go back and we're gonna hit OK now. Okay, it says that there's one count of some kind of diagnostic DTC. I'm gonna look what that code is or means. Again, I'm not a mechanic, I have no clue what's going on. ECM, PCM, read codes. Pending codes or stored codes. We're gonna go to stored codes. Okay, thank God, as I expected, the coolant thermostat the coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. Okay, so that's apparently some kind of code $07E8, and that's the only thing it's reading. So now, as you guys can see, that check engine light is still on. We're gonna check how to turn it off, and oh, let's see if there's any pending codes. No pending codes. Okay, so we're gonna go to erase the codes now. Do you want to trouble the code erase? It will clear the emissions. Yep, that's what I want. And the code has been cleared. So we're gonna head back. So the code is still on. I'm assuming I need to restart the car, so let's do that. I don't want to cut or miss anything, so I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna actually start the car now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Check engine light is off, just like that. I'm honestly surprised how easy this thing works, and I was contemplating on getting this because I wanted to buy a daily, and probably I'm gonna buy a used car, so this is good to take with me and in case I need to check anything. Wow, I'm surprised how easy and user-friendly this machine is. So I will definitely check it on some kind of older car with some issues, and if that works, hey, why not? What I was more surprised about, which in my mind, back in my younger days, all these machines were like $200, $300, $400, maybe even more expensive. Let me put it off. And it's so small and handy. Let me get to the garage because it's over 90 degrees out here and it's hot. Okay, it's not like my garage is AC or anything, but it's a little bit cooler than being outside. So this little machine, it only cost less than $20. I see online on Amazon, which I will actually leave a link down into the description. So it's so very easy to play with. I will actually off camera, because I don't want to be wasting your guys' time, so I'm gonna see what else I can do. If I can find something more interesting at this moment, I will still put it behind this video, and if not, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for KINGBOLEN to sponsor me this machine, which is actually very handy. I would have paid probably a little bit more money than this to get diagnostic to run on my car, but most of all, it saves me time going into the dealership, and I assumed it was the thermostat, but now I'm 100% sure it is the thermostat. So thank you very much for watching, and peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.